Camcorder sent this iced latte. So I said I'd get her an iced latte. And now I'm walking up to her house. I'm like excited. It's like Uncanny Valley. I can't knock. Hi. Oh, thank you. Oh my god. Goodbye to my dad because I'm not going to see him for a month. I'm a liar. You not follow me on TikTok? No, everyone follow me on TikTok? Everyone follow. Where are we going? Newcastle. Wait, ready, 3. Do you seriously not even know where we're going? Okay, shut up. Why are you?
Do you want to bring some sort of charger for?
I have a charger. How do you feel today?
I feel good. It's Saturday.
What's your name?
My name is Zoe. I am the driver of this very important holiday.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I've got to respond to questions.
Okay. What's your last name?
Sorry?
What's your last name?
Angus.
Where are we going today?
We are off to Newcastle, to I think one of the nicest cities outside of Sydney in New South Wales. Great beach, groovy big mansion by the sea. Any other news? What about you? What's your name and what are you doing today?
I'm the interviewer. It's 11:11. Getting back together ever. This song definitely gives us a lot of What is this? It's my dad's song! Oh my god.
'Cause I was driving Lamborghinis, sipping super dry martinis and the tiniest bikinis on a yacht, but I was depressed.
It's recording. Oh, I look so good. Mine has a camcorder as well. I should have brought mine. We've arrived. Yes, I do. There's people coming down the stairs, going up the stairs.
No, we're not. No, we're down here.
Are you joking?
No, I'm being dead serious.
Are you joking?
Yeah, we're Sydney. That's Sydney.
Sydney?
And that's Newcastle.
Oh,
idiot. You think we're that far?
Say hi.
Like hello.
I didn't think we were that far. 5 things to do in Newcastle. What? What? What are we doing now? We're doing what? We're getting sushi at Sushi Coup. We've got sushi in tow, and we're getting drinks, and then we're gonna go to the beach.
Oh wait, it like kind of smells like my skin. 2 times 3, 6.
Wow, we're back on the road again.
She is a mythic bitch.
We're
gonna eat sushi.
Yes! Those guys at the lobby were totally looking behind her. So here's our room. Here's our mirror.
Okay, where's the bed?
We are going to the beach. It's my favourite drink. Actually, it's my favourite drink. I've always said that if I had a little flask, I would put this in it and so I could just have it whenever.
I thought we were talking about
No, I'm talking about my life. Not everything revolves around a man.
Okay, well, it did a second ago. Walked into the party like you were walking into a yacht. You had one eye in the mirror as you washed yourself. Can I tampon t-shirt? No! No!
It's morning. We woke up. There were no videos filmed in the night.
We didn't film at all. Can you rewatch the footage on that? No.
You can, but it's like hard to like rewind the tape.
Yeah, last night was very interesting. Stuff happened. Let's go to the beach. Follow us.
Where do you see yourself in 10 years?
In 10 years, I'll be in 26. I'll be graduated uni by then. I'm gonna be working like somewhere really cool, like psychology or something, or like wedding planning or something. I hope that I've like done some cool stuff, and like I just hope that I'm like happy. So Kate, in 10 years, currently 16, you'll be 26. Live your life. I hope that you got drunk a lot in your 20s, and I hope that you like did a lot of drugs, but you're not a junkie or nothing. Love you! Where's his personality?
Where do I see myself in 10 years? I hope I am doing something to do with film and directing my own movies, no matter how small they are. I just want to write a movie and direct it. Hopefully, I never get drunk again. I like really want to fuck a light skin. This video to the fans, can we only get the bit about the film director?
Like,
I hope I am still with Kay and Helena. Bye! Bye guys! Bye! Love you! Hello! Didn't see you there. You see yourself in 10 years!
What's going on? I feel like what the fuck is going on there?
26 is like the age you start decaying.
26 is fucking young.
This is not where you see yourself!
Hopefully making some money. Hopefully, I want to have my first kid by the time I'm 25. I want to work in the police force before I go to uni. And I want to go to uni for forensic psychology.
Clap, clap.
I can literally say whatever I want in this because it's gonna have music over it.
really tell. You can't really tell, but that is a cute dog.
I'm like really spitty right now. Okay. We're talking about something that was just like so like I don't ever want to learn about the history of buildings.
I want to learn the history of that building. That's an interesting looking building. This is 1921 on spiral tiles. It's fucking cool. That look good? I'm gonna do this in like slow motion. That look good? Here we are. Oh, if you hold it up, it like zooms, and then you hold it down to zoom out. I think I see Xanthi. There she is. Our girl. Yay, there she is. Do we even have windows?
Hot girls leave their windows.
People. I don't want to ever talk to these people again. I'm leaving. I'm going home. Look at that Red Bull. I fucked that up. I fucked up the ending.